Hello my friends and welcome to my channel Become Engineer Academy. I am Anouar. In this video we will add the material app property. So in the previous videos, the material app widget. In the previous video we started creating our app and we created our first widget. So as you see, the screen appears completely black on our emulator. Now we'll build an app that uses material design for our UI. When I say UI, I mean user interfaces. So rather than returning a container as we see here, we will return a material app. So this material app widget has three important properties. They are title, the theme, and the last is home. Of course, material app has more than these three properties, but these are three we are interested in. So during this course we will see lots step by step. So the title, for example, we give it a text time tracker, which is the name of our app. The theme, we will give it a theme data. This theme data, we will give it one property, which is primary swatch. This primary swatch is the primary color. So colors dot, for example, we will give it the value of blue. Here in the home we will give it a container widget, and this container is like we talk about the whole screen. Here, for example, we need to change its color from black, for example, to white. So we will add the color property, colors. Here this is the name of a class, that's why we use the C in capital. Here it's the name of the property. So just to know the difference. Here if I hot reload, as you see, the screen is blue, is white. What if I change the color here to red? I will see there is no thing happened. So let's return it to black, but to white, to blue. Here the primary swatch doesn't ever take the black value. So here, what if I turn it to red? As you see, the whole screen becomes red. So just to know the difference between these two, theme and home. So we will add some folders and some folders to our project. So in this lecture, after that we have add the material app, we will make the foundation of our app. So for the first page of our app, which is the sign in page, the first thing is deciding where to store the code of that sign in page. So as I have already said, this lib folder will contain all our project. So that means what is the structure we will make to allow our app grows up in a clear way. We need a class of our sign in page. So we can create it in the same page main dart, but it is not professional. It's not professional to make a class inside this main dart. What we will do is we will put it in lib folder. So, but I will not create a new folder. I will create a package. So just click lib, right click, new. Here we want to add a new package. If you don't say the package, where to create a new package, so just do as I am doing. File, project structure, modules. We will select the lib folder and right click it, then select sources. So now click apply, OK. We will done it again. So now, as you see, there is our package. So we will select package and we will name it, for example, sign in. Sign in. Click enter. As you see, we have our package. Now we will create sign in page.dart into this folder or this package. Dart file, sign in page, for example, .dart. As you see, this is the structure of our project, and we will step by step make it grow up. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video to make sign in page in Flutter framework.